Hi, everyone. My name is Kristen Fusaro Pizzo, and this is just a quick video to discuss how you can use closed captions in DOE Zoom. So when you open up your Zoom dialog, you could see it seems like that you have an option to offer closed captions in your Zoom, and you just click the closed caption. Except, unfortunately, this doesn't really work so well because you either have to assign someone in the meeting to type everything that you're saying, or you're going to type it yourself. This third option is to copy the API token, and you could do this, but copying the API token, you have to actually purchase a third-party client who will embedding the API token. They will do the closed captions for you, but most of us as teachers, we don't have the money to pay for all of these things. So one of the workarounds that I've discovered is to share my screen. And by sharing my screen, I open up Google Slides. When you open up Google Slides and you hit present, it gives you the options at the bottom, as you could see, to hit closed captions. And it's actually pretty useful because while you're speaking, it will capture what you're saying directly in Google Slides. Um, and you can flip through the slides as you're speaking to your classes, going through the information, and it offers closed captions in that regard. Another way that you could actually try to use to get closed captions is if you actually record your Zoom video. So if you record the actual video, then what will happen is about a day later, Zoom will send you a copy of the video of your whole meeting and it will have a transcript. You could also take the video and upload it to YouTube, but I really don't recommend that third solution with uploading to YouTube, just, to protect student privacy and your privacy as well. But you could record your whole meeting and it'll come with a transcript afterwards. The downside to that option is that if a student needs the closed captions immediately, then they will always have to be a little bit behind after the Zoom meeting. So I really recommend that using Google Slides is the best immediate workaround without spending the money on a third party API client, which can also be kind of difficult to embed that client. If you have any other questions, send me an email, kfusaropizzo@schools.nyc.gov. Thank you.